Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Today is day 10 of our English Learning Challenge. In today's story, we will talk about something very simple but very powerful: how to practice English every single day. Even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, even if you do not live in an English-speaking country. Many people think, I must move to London or America to speak English well, but that is not true. You do not need to live in London. You do not need a native speaker next to you. You do not need to study for many hours every night. What you need are small steps, smart steps, steps you can repeat every day, steps that fit into your real life. Let us begin with a simple question. What is shadowing? Maybe you have heard this word before. Maybe you have not. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve listening and speaking together. Shadowing is very simple. You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now, and you repeat at the same time. You do not stop. You do not translate in your mind. You do not use a dictionary. You just copy the sound, like an echo. You copy the speed, you copy the tone, you copy the rhythm. Let us try together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. Now repeat. I listen to English every day. Now repeat. Shadowing helps me speak better. Very good. That is shadowing. At first, it may feel strange. You may not understand every word. That is okay. Shadowing is not about understanding everything. It's about training your brain and mouth to work together in English. If you do this for just 5 minutes a day, you will slowly speak more clearly, more naturally, and with more confidence. Now let's answer the big question. How can you practice English every day? Many learners say, I don't have time. I feel nervous. I don't know how to start. My answer is always simple. You do not need much time. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need to wait. You only need to begin. Here are 5 simple ways to practice English every day. Tip 1. Listen to English every day. Listening is very important. If you want to speak English, you must listen to English. Not once a week, every day. You can listen to podcasts, slow English stories, music, short videos. You do not need to understand everything. Even 30% is okay. Your ears are learning. You can listen while you walk, while you clean, while you cook, or while you rest. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day can change a lot. Let English be your background music. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Now use your voice. After you listen, repeat the sentence. For example, I want to get better at English. Repeat. I don't understand everything, but I keep going. Repeat. I am improving little by little. Repeat. Do this every day. Your speaking will become smoother. Your confidence will grow. It does not need to be perfect. It only needs practice. Tip 3. Think in English. Start thinking in English. One small thought at a time. In the morning, it is morning. I am sleepy. I need coffee. Outside, the sky is blue. The air is cold. I see a dog. During the day, I am working. I am tired. I want to go home. These small thoughts are powerful. Later, say them out loud, quietly, just for you. This is a daily conversation with yourself in English. Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading silently is good. Reading aloud is better. Choose short, easy text. Read slowly, then read again. Then read with feeling. Imagine you are telling a story. This trains your mouth, your tongue, and your confidence. It's like exercise for your English voice. Tip 5. Use English in daily life. Don't only study English, live with English. Change your phone language to English. You see English every day. Write 3 sentences in a diary. Today I worked. I was tired. I watched an English video. Record a 1-minute voice message. Talk about your day. Join an online English group. Read, write, listen. Watch short videos. Repeat the sentences. These are small actions, but they build strong habits. Remember this: when English becomes part of your life, it stops feeling like homework. It becomes something you live with. And that's when real fluency begins. Thank you for listening. This is day 10 of our English Learning Challenge. If this story helped you, listen again tomorrow. Little by little, your English is growing.